Hello everyone, here I'm going to share my experience on making brownie. Main ingredients of brownie are chocolate, brown sugar, flour, and eggs. There are still other ingredients which I'll show on the screen. Those are the tools I'm going to use. The first step, melt chocolate, butter, and instant coffee over the hot water. Now, chocolate, butter, and instant coffee are melted. Second step is putting the brown sugar into the eggs. Also, we need a little bit of salt, maybe half of teaspoon of salt. Put the salt into this mixture. Mix the brown sugar and eggs well until the color becomes pale. Then use a spatula, gently fold in the chocolate mixture in 3 batches. Fold very gently so you incorporate the chocolate without losing aeration in the egg mix. Sifting flour and cocoa powder into the eggs, chocolate and butter mixture, and use the spatula to gently fold them through. The mixture should be quite runny. Okay, don't forget the roasted walnuts. Then put them into this eggs, chocolate, and butter mixture. Fold them gently. Then prepare a pan. Pour this mixture into this pan. Preheat the oven and bake them for 30 minutes. Now the brownie is done. It looks quite nice. Okay, that's all about my